2011 North 5th overall champion. GPFC 5th overall champion. North Derby Race. JPRA 6th overall champ. Brown Light. KG Junior. North 2013 NERPC overall champion YB Oldbird. 4th overall champion Miu winner Lady Brown. North 2013 3rd overall champion JPRA Tugigaraw lap winner Burgos lap winner Peter C. North 2013 Nita 3rd OA champion. Sino to? Alin. Alias Hika. North 2013 JPRA 2nd overall champion. GRPC 4th overall champion. Many polling winner. North Race 2013 NERPC 5 overall champion. Babuyan ay 3rd place. North Team 2013 Sabanal Special Race Babuyan Island 2nd overall champion. Polling winner Sabanal. Awarding at VSK Resort Basco Batanes Race NIPA 4th overall champion. Solo pulling winner TPFC 10th overall champion YB. North Special Race Tawid Dagat Race accomplished. Basco Batanes 2016 4th place pulling winner. South 2016 2nd overall champion Kalawan lap winner. Ragay lap winner. Naga lap winner Kisoy. South 2016 5th overall champ Allen Samar pulling winner Hill. Salamat sa mga Venus na nag-abang sa ulit. South 2018 TPFC 2nd overall champion YB Oldbird. GRPC 3rd overall champ YB Oldbird extra super set winner Alan. South Finisher 2018. Congrats Kuya Ian Bernardino. Tibay talaga. Gataran Cagayan first pulling winner. GRPC Advisory Gataran pulling winners. First 1.2k Zar Ian Bernardino. Second 800 Zar Julius Galindez. Third 7 Markang Bungolo. Kapal na.
Unti lang yan, matanda yun.
Gapan Racing Pigeon Club 39 overall champion North Derby Race 2019 yung Bird Series. Ian Bernardino 18th overall champion YB. 34th overall champion YB. 39th overall champion YB. 10th overall champion Oldbird. Double crown champion. 3rd place Apari. Santa Ana lap winner champion YB. Santa Ana lap winner champion Oldbird. Lucky 71. Second overall champion GRPC YB. First overall champion. Dali first overall. First overall champion GRPC Oldbird. Second overall champion TPFC YB. First overall champion TPFC Oldbird North Race 2019. Paprint naman po boss na ang salamat ulit po sa 2019 Summer Race. TPFC 5th OA Champion Allbird. TPFC 6th OA Champion YB. GRPC 9 Overall Champ Allbird. GRPC 11th OA Champ YB. Per set and extra super set winner YB Allbird. Lance Pang.
Tapos yung may pulong ministro. Sana matutuloy.
Fun race. Fourth overall summer race. Certificate of Achievement. North Race 2019 25 overall champion, 23 overall champion. So, North 2019 Zaragoza Fund Race, second overall champion, Mana. North 2019 21 overall champ, Sayang.
Okay, Brad. Salamat, Brad Prince. Achievement ang ibon. Kulang pa yon. Maraming pang
kulang, nakalimutan na.
pagod. Salamat, Brad Prince. Ayan, yung isang kukunin ni Brad. Brad, kunin mo nga. Mamaya to.
Peter C. Bromlett, mga kapatids.
Yan ang magiging ibon ni Brad Prince. Susubuan daw ni Ton. Alright. Si Bulag nga, Ton, bigyan mo rin para mapagkinuha nila yan. Bigyan mo. At tapos, mag-aano kayo. Sumama ka para ikaw tumaban ni ano. Sino ba gusto mo? Si TJ Junior? O si
TJ Junior. Ian Bernardino, Taiwan Gold Line.
yun, signature line yan. Brad Prince. Ingatan mo. Ayan. Batang panser. Oo.